Good morning students. Today we will do our next topic, area of sector, area of segment and the length of a arc. So in this video we will discuss about step by step how we will find the area of a sector, after that area of segment and then length of arc. So the first is area of sector of a circle. So what is sector? So the sector is the portion of a circular region, or you can say it is a part of a circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called a sector of a circle. Suppose this is a circle with center O. This OA and OB are two radii of this circle and AB is the corresponding arc. So the area enclosed between these two radii and the arc is known as sector. So you can see here, take this point P on arc AB. So this OAPB, the shaded area OAPB is a minor sector, and another one OAQB. On the opposite side of this minor sector is the major sector. Alright, or you can say the remaining area is called major sector of this circle. So how we will find area of a sector? So its formula is theta over 360 into pi r square. So what is theta? Theta is the angle between the two radii. So you can say angle of a sector. Over 360 into pi r square. Pi is the constant value. Either you can use 22 by 7 or 3.14, and r is the radius of circle. So the area of sector OAPB is theta by 360 into pi r square. This OAPB is the area of minor sector. If you will find the area of major sector, either you can find the value of theta. You have to subtract 360 minus theta. You will get the theta of major sector. Alright. Or you can subtract the area of minor sector from the area of whole circle. ठीक है, चाहे तो तुसी small ਜਿਹੜਾ minor area ਦਾ sector ਹੋਗਾ, sector ਦਾ area ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਸਰਕਲ ਦੇ ਏਰੀਆ ਚੋਂ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ first one. Second step is you have to find this theta, remaining angle. Alright, you have to subtract 360 minus this theta. So there are two steps to find the area of major sector. So this is your topic, area of a sector of circle. Our next formula is how to find the area of a segment of a circle. So first, what is segment? So segment is the portion of the circular region. It is a portion, or you can say part of the circular region, which is enclosed between the chord and the corresponding arc is called a segment of the circle. So this is a circle with center O. You can see here this AB is the chord of a circle. So the area enclosed between this chord and the corresponding arc is called segment. So this is called AB and this AB is the arc. So the area enclosed between this chord and arc is called segment of the circle. So this is what? Minor segment, and this is our major segment. Alright students. So how we will find its area? So area of segment APB, this one, APB. Its formula is area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. So the formula to find the area of this segment is equal to, you will first find the area of this complete sector. You will find the area of first this sector. Sector OAPB. So the area of sector is theta over 360 into pi r square. Clear students? Then minus area of triangle. You can see here, this is what? This is the triangle. So the name of this triangle is OAP. You have to subtract the area of triangle from this area of sector. You will get the area of remaining portion, that is the segment of circle. So the area of triangle is called half into base into height. So you will find here base and corresponding height. Clear, students? So this is the formula of how to find the area of segment. If you find the area of major segment, then what? You will subtract the area of minor segment from the area of complete circle. Then you will get the area of this major segment. Clear, students? So this is your formula for area of segment of a circle. Next is length of an arc of a circle. So what is arc? Arc is the portion of a circumference of a circle. It is the portion of a circumference of a circle. Suppose there is a point A and B on a circle, then the distance between this A and B is called an arc of a circle. So the smallest distance is what? Minor arc, and the largest distance is major arc. And the arc is denoted by this symbol, arc AB. So how we will find its length? So length of an arc is theta over 360 into 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is the what? Total circumference of a circle, and theta is the angle between this sector. Theta is the angle of this sector. Alright. So by this formula we can easily find the length of an arc of a circle. Alright. Thank you. Good morning, students. Next we will do example number 2 of your chapter number 12, area related to circle. So in this example you have to find the area of minor sector and corresponding major sector. So the question is, find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 4 cm and of angle 30 degree. So first draw circle. In which radius is of length 4 cm and the angle is 30 degree. Theta is 30, the r is 4. We have to find the area of this corresponding minor sector. So we have to find the area of OAPB. So first we will find the area of sector OAPB. So what is the formula for area of sector? That is theta over 360 into pi r square. So theta over 360 into pi r square. So value of theta is here 30 degree. And the value of pi is also given in this question, 3.14. If pi is not given, then you will choose 22/7. And the radius is 4. Alright, now I will solve this. 0, 0 cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 12s are 36. And 3.14 is written as 340 over 100 into 1 by 12. And 4 4s are how much? It is 60. Now 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Now 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 4 3s are 12. Now divide this 1256 by 3. It is 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 6s are 18. Alright. Now this is 418.6 divided by 100. Now convert it into decimal. Remove this zeros. It is 4.186 centimeter square. Or divide 4.19 centimeter square approximately. Alright. So answer is 4.19 centimeters square. It is the area of minor segment OAPB. Now we will find the area of corresponding major sector. This one. Alright. So area of major sector. So what is the formula? Its formula is you can subtract the area of minor sector from the area of whole circle, or you can find the remaining angle of this major sector. It is 360 minus 30. How much? 360 minus 30 is 330. It means the corresponding theta of this major sector is 330 degree. Then you again use this formula theta by 360 into pi r square for to find the area of major sector. So it is 330 over 360 degree into pi r square. So pi is 3.14, meter is 314 over 100, and radius is again 4 square 16. Now this cancels 0 0. 3 11 is 3 12 is 11 into 314 16 12 4 4 is 16 4 3 is 12. Then 11 4s are, it is 44 multiplied 314 over 3 into 9. Now solving this, it is how much? 314 multiply 44, it is 13816. On dividing by 3, we will get 4605. Divided by 100, answer is 46.05. 46.05 centimeter square. So this 46.05 centimeter square is the area of corresponding major sector. Alright student. So this is the example number 2.